Welcome to part 2 of making a game with Godot. In the first episode, we learned how to make our character run around with animations, how to idle, and how to create a multi-layered map. In this episode, we're going to work on creating a camera and attack animations. So first off with the camera, we're going to right-click our character body 2D and add a child node. We want camera 2D. Now it applies automatically. If we go ahead and test it out, we now have our camera. But if you'll notice, it's very old school, almost like a Game Boy game. Let's fix that. We're going to turn on position smoothing on the right hand side. Let's play it again. And now you can see it's a bit smoother. Now, next we want to work on our attack animations. Select Animated Sprite 2D on the left side, and we're going to add our attack animation. We will name this Attack Down. And we will add our sprites. Now click Script at the top. And we're just going to copy and paste one of these buttons. Now, if you go into Project and then Project Settings, and then click this button, Show Built-in Actions, we can see every action that Godot has built into it. So today we will be using UI accept. Anytime we use enter or space, it will register as UI accept. So if input is action pressed UI accept, then play attack down. So as you can see, now we can attack, but we can't attack in any other direction. And it doesn't work while we're moving. So we want to fix both of those things. First, let's add the rest of our attack animations. Select Animated Sprite 2D on the left, and then click Sprite Frames on the bottom. We need 3 more animations. Attack up, attack left, and attack right. Let's add the rest of our sprite frames to these animations. Click and drag and make sure that you don't miss any frames. Now let's look at our code. We have all of our run directions, and we have our idle attack that only idles down. We need to be able to attack in every direction. So let's just go ahead and copy and paste this. So if input is action pressed, UI right, and delete the if, and input is action pressed, UI accept, colon. Now, this UI right and this UI right will interfere with each other. So we need to write another if statement. If animation does not equal attack right, colon, play attack right. Since we made a new if statement at the top, we need to change this to else if. And let's go ahead and test this out. Now when we run right, we need to change simple fix. Now when we run right and attack right, we attack at the same time. We need to repeat this step for every direction. We're going to type return at the end of this to prevent it from interfering with our other lines of code. And now we're just simply going to copy and paste this 3 more times for every direction. And then we're going to change it to all of our directions. So if we press UI left and UI accept at the same time, if animation isn't playing attack left, then play attack left. Same thing. We're going to do that for down. Super easy. We just change these 3 words right here. And same thing for up. And let's go ahead and test out our code. As you can see, now we can attack in every direction. Thanks for watching part 2 of how to make a game in Godot. The next episode will be going over collisions.